Happy Wednesday. This week is super short. We had bank holiday yesterday. We have some kind of holiday on Monday. Well, Luis had holiday and I took like half of the day to do, you know, other stuff, not working. So this week is going to go away so fast. Also on Friday I have a meeting for the secret project, and guys, I can't believe we are so close to the date for the secret project. I'm super excited and also super scared at the same time. I can't tell you anything yet, but I'm sure by that time I can start talking to you about that, you know, freely and openly. We started with this project, I think, in May, and now it's like the last part of it, and you guys, it's super stressing right now here. So that means that everything I have to do on Friday, that is Patreon stuff, basically like the feedbacks, and I think this week we have blog. I'm going to do it tomorrow, that is Thursday. Other stuff that I need to do this week is finish my website, so I will need to find time probably at the afternoon to work on that, and I need to print the snail mail, so I need to finish with the sticker, and I need to make the video for today. I mean, I didn't have anything yet. It's 9 a.m. so 9:30 a.m. so I really need to sit down right now and start filming. I think I'm going to create a character with you guys. I think it's very interesting to see all the process from references to concepts and this stuff. It's very similar to what I did on the webinar last week. So, but I think I'm going to implement this to the channel for at least do one video a month about that. So let's do that, guys. By the way, excuse my hair. It's still wet because I just had a shower before having breakfast. I didn't put my makeup on. Probably I'm going to do that first before starting with the video. And yeah, I will catch up with you later. You didn't notice, but Phoebe has been all the time I have been talking to you here sleeping with me. Okay guys, I finished recording the video for today. This is the character I drew up. Is a Cristina. I want to see if you can see more detail of it. I think I really like the face and the details I add, and yeah, I think it was a very good job of stylization and, you know, working with references. So hope you enjoyed the video, by the way, because you already saw that when you're watching this vlog. By the way, while I was filming, I just received the package with the the hoodie and the sweatshirt. So I'm going to open it right now and show you guys because I'm super excited with this. The clothes arrive and I'm happy with this one. I think this one is looking fine. This is the quality you can expect of the printing. I think colors are quite well. Also the sweatshirt fabric, it's looking fine. You know, it's not that bad. But yeah, this one has totally disappointed me. The quality of this material is not the one that I expected for. I expected something more like this. You can see it has a lot of these small balls on the cloth, and it's even new. It has been, you know, in the plastic bag. And yeah, I don't know, I'm not very happy with this. So I will need to change that model, and I will need to, you know, make another sample with the new model, not from this design, probably I'm going to use it in another design, and see if the quality is better. And I wanted to show you, this is one of the t-shirts that I made the first time, to see that this one is looking awesome. I mean, I don't know why, so that's why I think the fabric is super important to do. I think they recommend for this kind of printing, they recommend to use cotton, as much cotton as possible. For example, this one is 50% cotton, this one is 55% cotton, so I guess the much cotton you have, the better it keeps the impression, because this one is 100% organic cotton and it's looking amazing. I mean, the colors are so vibrant, the impression looks so good, and also it's a very black, it's a pure black thing. So probably I will need this afternoon to think about the cotton quality of my hoodies and things, and probably I will need to change some products, because yeah, I don't want people to receive, you know, something like that. I mean, no, I didn't want to do that. So yeah, I will need to figure it out this afternoon. Also this food, it's going like in this direction, and vertical. I just had a meeting for the secret project. I thought it was on Friday, but finally we changed the dates to today, so I will have time tomorrow to work on all Patreon stuff. And so today I want to be focused on the shop. I'm going to finish right now the blog that I want to share with Patreon this afternoon, like the early access. Also, I'm going to prepare everything to post the video for you, last week video. And one of the things I want to do for the shop first is search another material for this hoodie. I need to make another I need to make another order for samples. So I want to see the material of that new t-shirt hoodie. And you guys, so I don't want to talk and bore you talking. Let's do some work.
You get this from me on purpose.
Okay guys, it's almost 5. Phoebe is taking a nap. It's super cloudy, and I just finished scheduling the everything, you know, the videos. Also, excuse my hair, it's looking pretty bad. So this afternoon I tell you that I wanted to work on the shop, but the truth is that I think I want to paint a little bit, because I didn't paint in a few days and I think I really want to do that. So I just opened Clip Studio Paint because I want to paint and sketch on the big tablet. And I wanted to show you the last Inktober prom, because I think I didn't show you, and I have to say it's looking so pretty, and I'm in love with this one and how it turns out. So yeah, I'm going to show you how it's looking. So this is the last Inktober version. I completely did it in digital. By the way, I used Clip Studio Paint for doing that. And you guys, I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm pretty happy with the colors. I had a lot of things choosing the colors because I didn't want to add a lot of them, so I tried to keep the same purples and pinks and only add a few ones to, you know, to break all this purple thing. But I think in the end, I don't know guys, I really love it. I really love these skulls. It's going to be October print for the snail mail, and this couple of schools are going to be part of the stickers. So I have to design the sticker taking these schools. So so yeah, I will do that probably tomorrow. The air. I think you did pretty well, by the way. I think you really like a lot. I mean, today I'm going to say a lot of, I think it's super early. It's 11 a.m. right now. I'm just having a cup of tea. Well, it didn't seem like tea. I just made it different. I don't know. I wanted to put some milk on it, but I think I put too much milk. I don't know. The thing is that I have been recording the feedbacks for Patreons, and I'm going to upload now them to YouTube. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work on the shop. I need to make some photos for the products, so I'm going to grab the products and make some photos. Okay guys, I'm ready to make some photos for the sweatshirt and for the mug. I have here my set. I have one light here. I have another light here. So I need to balance the lights because I think this one is looking a little bit more blue than this one. So I'm going to use, well, you know, this kind of things, the remote for doing that. And well, I'm going to do that because, you know, morning is going out so fast. Okay guys, I just made the photos. I'm going to pick them and edit them and see which ones looks fine, which ones didn't. So I'm going to put everything on place and do that stuff. I ended up editing the photos I made. So finally I choose this one here, this one here, this one here. This one I made it, but I'm not quite happy of it. These ones, I think this one looks pretty nice. And this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to put all the photos there. And I'm going to come to Canva and I'm going to start creating the banners, and I'm going to go to Printful and I'm going to make the orders for the new samples that I need to do. So this is all for this vlog, guys. Hope you like it. This week has been very short week. I did a lot of stuff. Also, I didn't paint that much. I only painted on Wednesday when I did the video for YouTube. And yeah, yesterday I was busy with the shop, with the meeting. Today I have been busy with doing the feedbacks for Patreons, making the photos. I'm going to continue with the shop right now. And I can't wait, guys, to finish with the shop. This is a project that I have been delaying for a long time now. Patrons know that I wanted to reopen my shop last year, but I didn't. I have been trying to figure out how to do the dropshipping thing. And I'm very stressed right now because it's like nearly in the end, and this month I plan to finish like these two big projects, like the secret project and also my shop that it's a project itself. Hopefully December it's going to be better. By the way, I decided I'm not going to make the December thing. I'm going to continue with the vlogs. Excuse my ear, I have been taking the photos and I just put this on a bun, so it's looking very bad, by the way. I need to wash my hair like urgently today. The last thing I have to say to you guys is thank you so much for being part of my YouTube channel, for following my day-to-day and also my older videos. If you want to continue seeing this kind of content, please like and subscribe to my channel. And also I can leave the vlog without saying thank you to my patrons because of them I can spend time doing these videos, doing these vlogs. and taking time to prepare my shop. So yeah, I'm really, really thankful with them. I hope I'm saying it right. But yeah, I couldn't make these projects and, you know, stay that time without working with client work, because otherwise I couldn't pay my bills. So thank you, patrons. You are the world to me right now, and well, you always have been. You're my spoiled kids. So see you guys next week. Bye.